Welcome to the House of Cars 2024. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the House of Cars 2024, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have an exceptional treat for you as we dive into the luxurious and exhilarating Bentley Continental GT Azure 2024 model. This grand tourer combines unrivaled elegance, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking performance. Let's explore what makes the 2024 Bentley Continental GT Azure a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Exquisite design. The Bentley Continental GT Azure 2024 boasts a design that exudes sophistication and power. The exterior features sleek, flowing lines that enhance its aerodynamic profile, while the iconic Bentley grille and signature LED matrix headlights create a commanding presence on the road. The Azure Edition adds exclusive details such as unique badging, distinctive 22-inch wheels, and a range of bespoke paint options that allow owners to personalize their vehicle to their taste. Lavish interior. Step inside the Continental GT Azure, and you're welcomed by an interior that epitomizes luxury. Handcrafted from the finest materials, the cabin offers a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. Premium leather, rich wood veneers, and polished metal accents create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The Azure Edition includes unique trim options, contrast stitching, and exclusive Azure badging on the seats and dashboard, elevating the sense of exclusivity. Advanced technology. The 2024 Bentley Continental GT Azure is equipped with the latest in automotive technology. The infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to access vital information at a glance. Additionally, the Azure Edition includes advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Unmatched performance. Under the hood, the Continental GT Azure offers a choice of powerful engines. The W12 engine delivers an astonishing 650 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. For those who prefer a more efficient option, the V8 engine provides 542 horsepower while still offering impressive acceleration and performance. The advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension ensure a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding country roads. Enhanced comfort. The Bentley Continental GT Azure is designed to provide the utmost comfort for both driver and passengers. The seats are not only exquisitely crafted but also feature heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The cabin is insulated to reduce road noise, creating a serene environment where you can relax and enjoy the journey. The Azure Edition also includes advanced climate control systems that maintain the perfect temperature, regardless of the weather outside. The 2024 Bentley Continental GT Azure is a true testament to Bentley's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. With its exquisite design, lavish interior, advanced technology, and unmatched performance, the Continental GT Azure offers an unparalleled driving experience. If you're looking for a grand tourer that combines elegance and power, the Bentley Continental GT Azure 2024 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Bentley Continental GT Azure 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.